Good morning, everyone. Starting to get a little cold outside, so that means some of the bugs are trying to find their way into warmer spots. It was about 39 degrees last night here in Texas, and I want to kind of get a jump start on some of these insects starting to find their way inside by going around the perimeter of my building and my house and spraying. Got my nice tank here with the spray wand. And so I'm just going to show you how I go around and spray for bugs. So as you come up to doors and windows, I like to spray basically anywhere that I think bugs can come in. So I'm going to go all around the bottom here. Do that, do around the doggy door. Nothing going in there, so not too worried about that. I don't have a dog that goes in there. I'm just going to go up the side in case they get in through the door jamb. Then I'll do that on this side too. And then go around the top, and I might go around the outside of the doors there too. So same thing with the doors. I'm just gonna go around the frame of the windows, just make it so any bugs that are trying to find that space to come in are gonna be able to do it. And then also when I go along the bottom, every time I see a weep hole, I'm gonna do it there too. In fact, I usually just go all the way across. Okay, all done. Went along the outside of my house all the way around. Got the weep holes, went around the windows. You can see the wetness got a little extra there. Yeah, but basically I'm just trying to make sure we don't have any bugs coming in this winter. This stuff's supposed to last 90 days or so, but I think that's not really true. So I do it every 30 days. So I got the outside of my house and the outside of my shop. So hopefully we're good to go for the winter. Anyway, super easy process. The backpack sprayer makes it a lot easier. Anyway, you guys have a good one.